A significant move on diesel pricing. Well, Oil Minister Veerappa Moily has written to the Cabinet Secretariat and has asked for completely stopping the monthly diesel price hike of 50 paise. Now remember, the Election Commission had, in its response to an Oil Ministry query, said that the matter should be explained to the Cabinet Secretariat. Nitya Balakrishnan joins us with exclusive details on that.
That's right. This comes as definitely good news for commuters because Veerappa Moily has indicated there is no need to continue with monthly price hikes in diesel, especially because under-recoveries on this particular fuel have come down to levels of 5.5 rupees per litre, below the 6 rupee per litre mark. So what he's written to the Cabinet Secretariat seeking is the CCPA, the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs, to meet on fuel subsidies shortly, very clearly indicating that it should be in line with Kirit Parikh panel recommendations. If under-recoveries on diesel are at levels of 6 rupees per litre, that should be the fixed subsidy compensation to IOC, HPCL and BPCL. Of course, this translates to close to 48,000 crore rupees every fiscal. Now, if the under-recoveries go beyond the 6 per litre mark, then we're given to understand only will, some kind of price hikes actually be passed on to the commuters. But at current levels of about 6 rupees per litre, there is no need to continue with this tinkering of diesel prices by 50 paisa per month. That is what Veerappa Moily has written to the Cabinet Secretariat on. But whether it is a good move for IOC, HPCL and BPCL, given the fact that rupee depreciation as well as global crude price increase could significantly widen the under-recoveries on this particular fuel, that is the big question. And of course, it means currently that the ball is at the court of the Cabinet Secretariat and of course the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs when it meets.